What do you want? What do you want, man? Look at this man. What do you want, man? What do you want? Tell me. Hmm? Tell the peoples what you want. Huh? You want them to like, subscribe, and share to what? Akitas TV, right? Because you trying to get your million views too, right? You need some things too, right? What you need? Huh? What you want, boy? What's up, man? Damn, this motherfucker crazy. What you want, that chuleta? You want that bone, huh? Get him, boy. Get that bone, boy. He's gone mad. Ja, relax. Hey, respect my face. All right, be good.